Okay, welcome to our second video. I'm Tim Townley, and today we're doing a real review on products that I've used already in the field. So what we have here today is a product by Canadian Studio on Amazon. You can find the link in the description below. $69. That's a really good price, and it's free shipping. So these guys, they shipped it to me. I've used it several times for both video and photo. For photo, I use it for portraits and stuff like that. For video, it can be used as just a temporary backdrop if you need it like that. No big deal. A 5x7, so that's 5 feet by 7 feet. You can use it on stands, or you can have somebody hold it, so it's really easy to use, and it folds down into this nice compact case. As you can see, it's not marked on either side, both sides blank, but that's okay. It has a zipper on this side here. Let's see, where's the beginning here? There's the zipper. Opens up nice like that, and I'm not going to open it up quite yet. We'll be prepared for that. So nice, clean black muslin cloth. So it looks good on camera. And turn it over, and you can see the gray as well. The gray is really nice. It looks great on camera when you have your lights set up well. And because it pops out into this nice frame, you don't get like the wrinkles and stuff that you might get if you have like a folded cloth or something like that. So really useful for that. I've done lots of portraits with it, mainly the gray side. The black side I use too, but the gray side looks so good. So you should try that. Anyway, we're gonna pop it open and show you the size, and I'll stand beside it. I'm 6 feet tall. This is a 5x7, so let's check it out and see what happens. Okay. So just to show you what this thing looks like when it's set up is this. I'm going to try to do this without knocking over any lights or anything like that, or the guitar. Let's try it out. So you got to be careful around you, make sure nothing's going to fall over, and you just open it up, and there we go. So that's supposed to be 7 feet. I'm 6 feet tall. I'm not wearing any shoes right now, so that's 7 feet tall. When it's on a stand or somebody's holding it, you can straighten it out. It's really good. On the other side, let's flip it over here. You can see that there is a place to put a stand in there. So you can put it through a tube-like stand or something like that. You can even use clamps or clips to mount it to the stand, and as you can see, there's barely any wrinkles. It doesn't show very well on camera, the wrinkles, so there's a couple in there, nothing too major though. And of course, let's show you the black side too. So there's the black side. It shows up really good on camera, I think, and looks good. So to fold it down, if you haven't used one of these before, it's really quite simple actually. The only rule is that you start from corner to corner, so the longest corners. So this corner to that corner. Grab them both, bring them together, and it folds it into this kind of thing here, and you just bring it together, and there you go. You have your easy foldable type backdrop. Put that back in its case. And maybe struggle a little bit with it, nothing major. And voila, you're good to go. Okay, so check that out, link below in the description. Go to Amazon, Canadian Studio, and it's only, what, $69. Not bad for a backdrop that you can make a lot of money off of if you're a professional, even if you're an amateur trying to do photo stuff. I've used this several times. It's great. I'd probably give it a 8 or 9 out of 10 for quality and usefulness. So check it out, and yeah, there you go. We'll see you next time. I'm Tim Townley. Bye for now.